Sometimes your Redragon keyboard may not work as expected. Keys might not respond, or input could be incorrect. Software conflicts can cause lighting effects to malfunction, or macro settings to behave unexpectedly. You may also need to reset when preparing the keyboard for sale or giving it away. A factory reset restores the keyboard to its original default settings, fixing these issues. To identify your Redragon keyboard model, start by checking the back of the keyboard. Simply flip your keyboard over to find the model number printed there. This is usually located near the center or bottom of the keyboard base. If you still have the original packaging, check the box. The model number is typically printed on the side or bottom of the box, often in a barcode area or product label. You can also find the model number in the Redragon software. Open the software and look for the device information or settings section. The model number will be displayed there. Knowing your exact model number is crucial because different Redragon keyboards may require different reset methods. Always double-check the model before proceeding with any reset procedure. To reset your Redragon keyboard using the most common method, locate the FN and escape keys on your keyboard. Press and hold both the FN and escape keys simultaneously. Keep the keys held down for 3 to 5 seconds. Watch the timer to track the hold time. After holding, the keyboard lighting will flicker or turn off momentarily, indicating the reset is complete. Let's repeat the process more slowly to emphasize the key combination. This method works for many Redragon models, but not all. Check your specific model if it doesn't work. For the second method, open the Redragon software on your computer. The software interface will appear, showing various configuration options for your keyboard. Navigate to the Settings or Configuration section within the software. Here you'll find options to customize your keyboard's behavior and lighting. Look for the Reset to Default or Factory Reset option. This is highlighted here in the software interface. Click the Reset button and confirm the action when prompted. The software will begin the reset process. Watch the progress bar as the reset completes. This ensures all custom settings are restored to factory defaults. Remember, this method requires the correct Redragon software to be installed on your computer before you can use it. For specific Redragon models like the K552, the factory reset uses a different key combination. Press and hold the FN key and the Q key simultaneously for a few seconds. The keyboard will show visual feedback with a lighting change to confirm the successful reset. Remember, key combinations can vary depending on your specific Redragon model. Always check the user manual for the correct sequence. If the reset fails, first ensure you're using the correct key combination. Press and hold the FN key and the escape key simultaneously for a few seconds. Check the USB connection by unplugging the keyboard from your computer and plugging it back in firmly. Ensure the connection is secure. Update the Redragon software to the latest version. Open the configuration software and check for updates in the settings. Try connecting the keyboard to a different USB port on your computer. Sometimes ports can have issues. If issues persist, contact Redragon support through their website. Visit redragon.com for support resources. Finally, always check your keyboard's manual for specific troubleshooting instructions tailored to your model. After resetting your Redragon keyboard, it returns to factory default settings. You'll need to reconfigure your preferences, lighting effects, and any custom macros you had programmed. Open the Redragon software to begin customization. The interface shows options for performance, backlight settings, and key assignments. For lighting effects, select from presets or create custom colors. Adjust brightness, speed, and individual key colors using the color palette and RGB sliders. To create custom lighting, choose Self-Define and select individual keys. Use the color picker and sliders to set your preferred RGB values for each key. For macros and key assignments, use the Assignment section to program custom functions. Record sequences or assign specific commands to keys as needed. Remember to consult your keyboard's manual or visit Redragon's online resources for detailed step-by-step instructions on advanced configurations. Resetting your Redragon keyboard is crucial for troubleshooting issues and giving you a fresh start with default settings. For most models, use the FN plus escape key combination to reset. You can also reset through the Redragon software interface. Some specific models have their own key combinations for reset. Always consult your keyboard's manual for the most accurate reset procedure. For more Redragon products and support, visit our website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments.